how they're getting failed and what is the root cause of the fail. Hi, I'm Jagadeesh, Senior Application Engineer for Electromagnetics at CADFEM India. Today, let's discuss something which quietly drives most of the advanced products around us, advanced technologies around us, I can say, that is electromagnetics. So, the performance of these electromagnetic systems are not a choice, they are very critical. Let me give some real-world scenarios. Like an EV industry, while designing their powertrain. Motor and inverter operates very well when they are performed independently or isolated. If we integrate them, then the real issue arises because of the interference issues, and which is a very costlier failure, I can say, once the product is developed. At the time of testing, if you come across these kind of issues, then redesigning the component, which leads to delay in the time to market. Even the cost of the prototyping again leads to a costlier mistake, I guess. And another scenario, which is a defense industry, where multiple antennas placed in a same platform for the purpose of communication, they might interfere with each other, which leads to co-site interference. And sometimes at the later stage of the design, which causes to mission failure as well. So one more issue I can say, it is with respect to a fast PCB signal transfer, I can say. In PCBs, most of the time we used to see these crosstalk issues, interference or interaction between two traces. So because of that, one of the trace or component may got reset very frequently. That causes loss of information or data. And also signal integrity and power integrity issues, which usually we used to come across. These are all some costlier failures once we build a prototype, and if you identify these aspects at the time of prototyping and testing, then going for a redesign is very costly. So this is where the simulation comes into the picture, where we can able to see virtually all these scenarios and how they're getting failed and what is the root cause of the fail. That is very crucial thing, I can say, which we can't able to identify even in the testing. For example, someone, if they want to observe far and near fields in the system, so that one can't able to visualize clearly in the testing and testing time, so that one can visualize in a simulation. So instead of going for a traditional approach, prototyping, testing and fixing, they can go for virtual design, that means simulate, optimize and validate. This is the best approach, I can say. So for that, ANSYS is offering a suite of electronic simulation tools comprises of HFSS, high frequency structural solver, which can able to perform antennas designed from the scratch to the placement of antenna, and EMI EMC issues one can simulate. And even if HFSS is a very generic tool which can capture both electric and magnetic fields in any of the electromagnetic system. If you go for a waveguide simulation, one can able to design and simulate it, optimization of it. And the next tool in the same platform is ANSYS SI wave. It is a signal integrity wave. It is dedicated for PCB analysis. If one can able to import their ECAD file into this SI wave, it can able to identify all the stack-up layers and components upon it, and it will perform signal integrity, power integrity analysis, and even crosstalk between the components and power losses in that. And from this, one can able to bring their model directly into the ANSYS iSpec, which is also available in the same platform. It is a kind of CFD solver which can help to understand the thermal aspects, how the temperature is getting raised with respect to duration of operation. And if user want to add some of the cooling techniques upon it and enclosures upon it, that also possible in that. So these are high frequency set of tools, and there are other tools falls under low frequency category in ANSYS. ANSYS Maxwell is such tool which can perform analysis of electromechanical components like motor, generator, transformer. Not only electromechanical, starting from a permanent magnet to coil, it can able to simulate. Again, I can say wireless power transfer coil simulations, smart gadgets, electromagnetic simulations, right? All these set of things it can able to simulate. And we have a dedicated motor tool called a MotorCAD, which is a template-based multiphysics tool, and it is easy to use, user-friendly, very quick in time. One can able to validate their hundreds of designs within, I can say, within a day. It will take just a minute of time to generate the results. That is the advantage of CAD. So these are the set of tools we have in ANSYS. So to conclude, if you want to design faster and efficient component and a compliance system, then CADFEM is your partner. We are not only simulation partners, I can say. So we can able to train you on the simulations and to perform your system simulation in the tool. And also throughout this journey, we can able to support you dedicatedly on the technical front 24/7. We have technical engineers sitting with us. We can able to support if you got stuck in between while performing the simulations, or if you are facing some sort of errors, then you can approach. We can write to us at cadfem@support.in. We are ready to help you. Thank you.